Hello friends and welcome to Pendulum IAS, and today we'll be discussing UPSC Current Affair quiz of 21st May 2020. So friends, let's start the quiz. The first question is, which of the following is true about the Forest Rights Act 2006? And these statements are, the act recognizes only the dwelling rights of forest dwellers in the protected forest. Second, the dwellers are given right of land ownership up to a maximum of 4 hectares. Now you have to select the correct answer from the quotes given below. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is 2 only. Let's see the explanation. Forest Rights Act 2006 aims to provide the dwelling and forest use rights to the scheduled tribes and other forest dwellers. Forest areas include common forest land within the traditional boundary of a village or seasonal use of landscape in case of pastoral communities, national parks, wildlife sanctuary or other protected areas. It also includes unclassified, undemarcating, existing or deemed forest. It covers both dwelling rights and forest use rights. Land of the maximum area of 4 hectares is entitled to the dwellers and the allocation is done by the Gram Sabha. According to the Act, other traditional forest dwellers means any member or community who has for at least 3 generations prior to 13th December 2005 primarily resided in and who depend on the forest or forest land for bona fide livelihood needs. So, the correct answer is option B, that is only statement 2 is correct. Moving to the next question, which of the following is true about the Goldman Environmental Prize? The statements are, the prize is called the Green Nobel. The award is given to scientists who have worked at the grassroots level. And third is Medha Patkar from India is a recipient of this award. You have to select the correct answer from the quotes given below. 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 2 only, 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer for this is option D, that is 1, 2 and 3 statement is correct. Moving to the explanation part. The Goldman Environmental Prize, it is an environmental award which is given to the activists and individuals who work at the grassroots level for the conservation of the environment. The Goldman Environmental Foundation presents this award annually, and this award is also called the Green Nobel Prize. Until now, 6 Indians have been awarded this Goldman Environmental Prize, and Medha Patkar is one of them. Medha Patkar has been working on defending the political and economic rights of tribal communities in Western India. She was the founder of Narmada Bachao Andolan. Therefore, the correct answer is D, that is 1, 2 and 3 is correct. Moving to the next question, which of the following is true about Mount Harriet National Park? Mount Harriet National Park is in South Andaman. The saltwater crocodiles are found here. Both evergreen and mixed deciduous forests are found here. You have to select the correct answer from the quotes given below. So 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. So the correct answer for this is option A, that is 1, 2 and 3. Let's see the explanation. Mount Harriet National Park is a national park in South Andaman and is located near Port Blair. Mount Harriet, it is the 3rd largest peak in Andaman and Nicobar, and it is part of this Mount Harriet National Park. The national park is marked by evergreen, mixed deciduous plants along with fauna like saltwater crocodile, wild Andamanese peak, etc. It is also famous as a butterfly hotspot. The park has a humid climate due to its nearness to the equator. Therefore, the correct answer is A, that is 1, 2 and 3, all are correct. Moving to the next question, which of the following is true about Aksai Chin? The first statement is, the line separating Aksai Chin from India administered Ladakh is called line of actual control. Second, the construction of the highway in Aksai Chin was one of the reasons for the Indo-China War. Third is, Aksai Chin is a cold desert with no river flowing through this region. So you have to select the correct answer from the quotes given below. 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. So the correct answer for this is option A, that is 1, 2 and 3 is true. Now let's see the explanation. Aksai Chin is considered the easternmost part of Ladakh, but it is administered by China. As you can see in the map, the location of Aksai Chin. It is the main point of contention between India and China. It is a cold desert with sodic soil, that is, it has a large quantity of sodium, and Karakash River. According to Johnson's demarcation in 1865, Aksai Chin is a part of Kashmir, but China does not consider this, as at the time of demarcation, China was not a party to it. In the 1950s, it constructed a highway connecting Tibet and Xinjiang province through the region. This was opposed to India and was one of the reasons for the Indo-China War in 1962. Therefore, the correct answer for this is option A. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is true about the partial credit guarantee scheme? And the statements are: it involves the purchase of assets of NBFCs, HFCs which are under a huge burden of NPAs. Second, it is a one-time partial credit guarantee scheme. Third, both statements are true. Fourth is none of these statements is true. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is, it is a one-time partial credit guarantee scheme. Now let's see the explanation. The partial credit guarantee scheme, it is under the Ministry of Finance, and under this scheme, the public sector banks can purchase high-rated pooled assets from financially sound NBFC and housing finance companies. It seeks to resolve the assets liability mismatch of the solvent NBFC and HFCs. Thus, it aims to avoid distress sale of these NBFCs and HFCs. The scheme provides one-time credit guarantee support. The government under this scheme provides guarantee till the first loss of 10% of the fair value of the assets being purchased by the banks, or up to 10,000, whichever is lesser. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Moving to the next question. Recently, garbage-free star rating for cities has been announced. Which of the following cities are not among the 6 cities that were given 5-star rating? And the options are Surat, Rajkot, New Delhi and Indore. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is New Delhi. That is, New Delhi is not among those 6 cities. Now let's see the explanation. Recently, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has released the garbage-free star rating for the cities. 141 cities were rated, 6 of them were 5-star, 65 of 3-star and 70 under 1-star. 6 cities that got 5-star rating are Ambikapur, Surat, Rajkot, Mysuru, Indore and Navi Mumbai. The star rating protocol was launched in January 2018 and it includes components like cleanliness of drains and water bodies, plastic waste management, managing construction and demolition waste. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. So friends, here we have covered the daily current affair quiz of 21st May. I hope you like this video. Please like our video, share it as much as you can and subscribe to our channel Pendulum IAS and keep preparing with us. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thank you so much.